Hi, I'm Sensei Adrian, and this is my helper Reagan. And today we're going to show you how to tie the gi top with the belt. So Reagan has her pants and her gi top on, and it goes this way. It's going to go right first, and there's two ties. So the right side goes down first. I just tie it, and then the left goes over. And usually most of the uniforms have a tag, and that's how you know you've also can remember the tag is out. And then, so once her uniform's on, we tie the belt around and under. Knot. Now she's ready for class. Give me a high five. Thank you, Reagan. So that is how you put on your gi top and tie your belt. Have a great day.